I've shared a lot of banging low-carb salads with you guys, but trust me, this tabbouleh salad is one salad you absolutely need to try. It is so refreshing. Instead of wheat bulgur, I processed cauliflower into snowflakes, and you wouldn't believe how good the texture came out here. I then finally chopped Persian cucumbers, tomatoes, scallions, lots of flat parsley since that's the star of the show here, fresh mint, lemon zest, minced garlic, fresh lemon juice, high quality olive oil, and sea salt. Full recipes in the caption. Check it out.